Hi guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back. I'm Lola. So today I will do a project still part of last week's video. Actually, it's a bedroom set, and last week I did the 2 nightstands, and today I'm gonna do the headboard and then the dresser. So stay with me until the end, and then let's do something today and let's get on the project, guys. Like I said last week, I'm gonna work on a project from a bedroom set, and this is why I split the projects into 2 videos. You can see this dresser. This is very heavy, guys, and I need help from my husband to move it around so I can work on the piece. And you can see that the legs, actually, there's 1 2 3 in front, they are wobbly, and this one is broken, damaged maybe when they are moving it. My husband will help to fix this. And the other one is the headboard over there. There's nothing wrong with it, it's all good. It's just heavy, so I just need to clean it and then paint it after. So yeah, let's get on the project, guys.
I'm using chalk paint from Rust-Oleum and the color is H Gray. I give this headboard 3 coats of paint.
Hi guys, now I will work on the dresser. Like you can see, my husband helps me to fix the legs, this one, and the other one, the corner, the one with the different colors. And it's not wobbly anymore, it's all solid. So I cleaned this piece already, so I can start paint it on the frame first, the bottom up, because it will be easier for me to work. And let's start. Okay guys, I work on this piece inside because this piece is really heavy. It's hard for us to bring it out and in after, so it's better just to work it here inside. Hi guys, I forgot to fix this part. There's a missing veneer here. But because it's gonna be painted, so I'm just gonna put a spackle, wait until it dries, and I will paint it. Okay guys, I set the spackle already. Over here is now it's smooth, so I can paint the side now. Okay guys, while waiting the paint to dry, the first coat for the dresser and the headboard, I will paint the door for the dresser, the doors, and the drawers.
Okay guys, for the doors and drawers, I also give it 3 coats of paint. I'm painting the top of the dresser right now. I give it 3 coats of paint.
Alright guys, so now it's all ready. Everything is dry, and now I want to give the top coat with wipe on poly. So I will give 2 top coats for the face, for the side and drawers, and 3 coats for the surface, for the top.
Alright guys, this is for the projects today. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to leave me your comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because it will help my channel to grow bigger. Thank you so much for visiting my channel and watching my video. See you all again in my next project. Ta-da!